Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a link to text in Figma. First, open your Figma software and select a text box or highlight any text you want to link. Next, look at the top right corner of the window where you'll find the text section. Click on the Create Link button. A text box will appear above your selected text. Paste or type the link there. Afterwards, click outside the text box and your link will be created. As you can see, the text now has an underline, which indicates that your link has been successfully added. You will also notice that your cursor changes to a pointer when you hover over the link. You can click the link to be redirected to the specified URL. If you wish to remove the link, click on the Edit button and select the Remove Link option. You can also remove the underline while keeping the link intact. That's how you can link your text in Figma. Thank you all for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more how-to videos.